Okay, me first! So cool! Space, please. Wow, it's pretty. Neat! But check out all this free stuff! Look! A real cardboard box! Yep, it's transformation time. And I've got a very good idea! A big one! See? Good thing I've got lots of tape. Just one more piece here. There. That was rough, but totally worth it. But that color… Wait. I can just use this thing. Well, a few more than this. Now we're talking! Hey, look! Should I? Hey, these are just perfect! I love it! Not bad, I guess. I need a house of my own. Yes, a house stat. Help me! Yes, I need you too. I'm calling them right now. Alrighty. Hey, this way. Jeez.
Sorry, lady.
Are you?
It's for you.
I'm not touching those. Hey!
Just give me an hour, alright?
Oh, is that necessary?
There, just about finished.
Wow.
Welcome home.
I suppose you want to get paid. Is this enough?
Looks good to me.
Wow, that was hard work. But I'm not done. Wow, a money house! Doesn't it look expensive? And it's all mine. Huh? Come here, honey. Just build it over there, okay? And I want it super fancy, got it? Are you almost done? I don't know, it looks cheap. I hate it. How about a little gold?
Wow! A real gold brick? Unbelievable!
No, melt it.
What? But why? That's criminal! I can't believe I'm doing this. Just look at that shine. She definitely has expensive taste.
You're done? Oh, it's magnificent! But it could still use something else.
Wait, I got you. Pink! Here it comes!
Oh, it's so cute! Yay!
Feeling the love, and it's all yours.
A little to the left.
It's perfection. Well…
You earned yourself some gold.
Wow!
Maybe just the one.
Spectacular! Thank you!
So cheap. Just look at all this. And to make it look even more expensive, more gold, baby. Yay! It's perfect. Wait, what about mine? Hello, over here. Whatever. This thing could use a little fresh air. Wait for it. There! A window! Nice! Hey, what's this? It's just the right size, I think. Only one way to find out. Yep. But I ain't done yet. Some outlining makes it nice and bold. Just a tad more. All done! Isn't it great? Hey, you guys! $500 bills? Gross! No way! 1, 2, 3. Fine. Let me think. What's this? A little tube? No, a really big tube. Perfect for a window. Cute, right? Hello out there! This is nice. Come see. I'm a little busy at the moment. Whatever. Help, please? You need me? Ugh. Okay. Lift this with me. Got it? Set it here. Oh, I'm sweating. So not cool. Just a bit further, come on. That's all I need. Bye. Oh, so ungrateful. How hard could this be? You good? Just give me a minute. Ta-da! Isn't it to die for? Soft, too. All done. Hope you like pink. It's not that great. It's better than yours. Hey. Help! We're doomed! I found light! Come on, this way! Move! Wait, over there! I don't know about this. Should I? Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, out of my way. Whatever. This is much better. What a relief. Wait, I have an idea. Craft time! But first, I need the right shape. There we go. Check them out. All they need is a little color. Okay, lots of color. Let there be light. Just string them on and you're good to go. So festive, am I right? And I didn't spend a penny. You hear that? Is that supposed to be innovative? I'll show her some bright thinking. Not sure what to do with this. Something better, please? Wow, now we're talking. Nothing shines quite like gold. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Oh yeah! I want them all. Ta-da! But I'm not quite done yet. Never underestimate the details. And just like that, it's ready to hang. Shine bright, baby! It really brightens up the bills, don't you think? It's mediocre at best. I prefer something a little richer. Like these. And yes, they're real. And already on a string. Classy is so the vibe here. And what's classier than real pearls? Isn't it just fantastic? Yay! It's so magical! I'm liking it here. Nice work! How am I supposed to get mail? Let me see. Choices, choices. Definitely not. Hey, that's adorable. Is it here? Oh my! It's really here! And to make it better, some ruby red sparkle, of course. So lovely. Who has plain mailboxes anyway? Super fab. I just have to post this. That dinky thing. Enter opulence. Next. No thanks. Now that's interesting. Hi.
Good day, miss.
Excuse me. What about your payment? Hello. It's not done.
Of course. I forgot the most important part.
Wow. Wait. Where did he go? I'm on my own? No way. It's giving mega rich. Wait. Right. All done. Say wealthy. That's super nice. Maybe I can go shopping too. Or maybe not. See what I mean? Useless. Unless… I'm no stranger to getting creative. Pencil, please. Let's giraffe this bad boy. I'm seeing it. Time to make it real, folks. See what I mean? And just like that, I have a mailbox. No shopping apps, no problem. Yay! Look, I made this. Good job. For a peasant. What's that? Hide! I'm scared. Oh no!
Oh! Good heavens! What's going on in here? Ooh!
We're doomed!
Little houses. Interesting.
Hey, I think we can come out now. That was really close. Hey, I have mail. What is it? Oh no, the exam! Today? Alrighty. I got one too. Bummer. An exam? Piece of cake. I always go to class prepared. Notebooks, assemble. Wow, look at her go. Ah, I got this. Come on, Tears. I'm gonna head out. Wait, can you take the test for us? Please? Okay. I'll help you. Let's go, we're gonna be late.
Another day, another car repair. Huh? Whose car is that? A classic Mercedes.
Hello? Can anyone help me here?
Very interesting.
Hello? Oh, hi there.
Can I help?
See this? That's what I want. Okay? Is this it? Wow. Cool. My new dorm room.
Exciting! Hey, roomie! Nice to meet you!
Watch out. Hey, back.
Whoa!
This room is a mess.
Who were even living here before us?
I say ghosts.
Yeah, agreed.
It sure needs a makeover. I'll get to work.
Nope.
Ah!
This side of the room is mine. No trespassing.
I mean, sure, whatever. I can't spend my energy arguing with you.
Let's see who does it better.
Time to get to work.
We have so much to do.
Ugh, I hate getting my hands dirty.
Tell me about it. I feel like we're gonna need a huge trash bin.
You think?
Whoa!
What did they even need this for? Whoa!
Ouch! Ugh, watch where you're going!
Much better. Already looking cozy.
You need to check your definition of cozy. Look, so soft. The wall looks so empty.
Jealous of my side of the room?
Please, don't you know cool is my middle name? Just watch. Some North Pole magic. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And now… Every snowflake is so unique, like me. Shaky, shake, shake.
Whoa.
You might want to hold on to something. Haha!
Stop that!
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Hey! Don't worry. These won't actually burn the place down. How? Magic. Duh. Now check it out.
Anyway, where was I?
You were messing up the floor.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
You weren't lying. I just need a rug to cover that up. Yep, this one's the softest ever. My feet are gonna love it in the mornings.
Wow. I should have thought of that. Do you see this, Boo? Oh, I think I know what you mean. It's been a while since you got groomed. Hey, you look good like this. Bye, my sweet menace. Here it is. Phew! Pink and red look really good together.
Yeah, whatever. Why is it so hot in here?
Brr.
Hey! Unacceptable! I need a cold refreshment. Like, right now! Almost freezing! Just the right temperature. Oh, wait! I know what to do with this! You see trash, I see a DIY project! Careful with the knife! The lights go inside the bottle! Now, a little bit of glue on this side. You'll need cotton and lots of it! Can you see my vision here? Ta-da! Snow clouds! Prepare for a blizzard of cuteness! Lights on! Let's see how you top that. Hey! I'm talking to you! Ugh, so rude! How about sending her a letter? What did you think?
Huh? Wow. I think I got a secret admirer. I wonder who it is from. Surprise! Huh?
Who did that?
You, obviously. Huh? Well, this is mine now. 'Cause I know just the thing to do with it. First, I gotta apply a little glue on this section. Place one piece of toilet paper next. More glue on top. And more glue everywhere. Wait just a little time until it sets. We can get rid of the balloon now. Yellow like the sun. And it's done! Easy peasy. No need for sunscreen.
Phew. This was heavier than I expected. There! Ursa Major! The night sky is so beautiful!
Oh, wow! Can I look through your telescope too?
You? No way.
This will convince you. There you go, bud.
Huh? What's that? I have a guest? An Unwanted guest. I don't have time to deal with that. Bye! Back to stargazing.
Ugh. If she ain't sharing, then I'll use this. If only it worked. Pfft. Oh, but that doesn't mean it's totally useless. Let's cut it into small pieces first. The glue the ends like this. Using 2 different colors will make it pop more. Almost done! Yay! It's even cuter than I imagined it would be. I'm making my own galaxy on the wall. It looks like the Milky Way.
Wow, that does look so good. Quick, make a wish!
What are you up to? Ugh, you wished for this?
Totally worth it. But now, I'll make my crafting wishes come true. Watch carefully. The folding order makes all the difference. We need to cut the paper from the middle and work separately with each piece. Once we make quite a few of these, it's time to glue them together. First, make sure the glue is dry and voila! My personal northern star! But let's decorate it first. Give it that blinking aesthetic. Now I can make a wish anytime I want!
Okay, officially approved.
A little left.
Here?
Yep. Phew.
Phew, I'm so sweaty. Anyway, now we have space for our stuff.
Cute, right?
You mean my dog, right?
Sure, why not?
More pillows? Yes, please.
Yay! I think we're finally done!
Yes, we did it!
And everything is a reflection of our own vibes. I have my little plushie friends here as well.
Me too. They can be besties. Sebastian likes his new home. The red and blue complement each other, wouldn't you agree?
Yep, we're gonna have so much fun in here.
Yeah.
But for now, let's rest.
Let's speak like adults.
My baby. Oh,